Okay, so the topic that we are going to do today is called grouping. Grouping. Use of grouping symbols. So we saw, like in some questions, we saw what is grouping, right? When there were questions like A plus B plus C, right? That time we saw what is grouping. It's basically two numbers put together in one bracket, okay, which tells us that we have to solve it first. Okay, which tells us that we have to solve them first. Okay, now what are grouping symbols? In grouping, we have three types of symbols, okay, or you can say brackets. Okay? We have this bracket, okay, this bracket called small bracket. This you've seen. And after that, after this, we have this bracket, okay, which is known as or medium bracket. Okay. Then we have the square, this one that looks like a square. Okay. It's called square bracket or big bracket. So these are the brackets that we use in the while solving the questions. Okay. Now the left side of the bracket means this side. The beginning side means the end. Right side means its end. Okay. And the sequence of the use is what's the sequence of using it? This one is used first. Okay. Solve first. Whatever it's inside the small bracket, first of all, you solve that. Then, curly or medium bracket, you solve second. Okay, whatever is in the curly or medium bracket, then you solve. And the big bracket, solve last. Okay, this you solve at the last. Take a look at this example. Take a look at this example. 15 plus 5 minus 8 divided by 6. So, now take a look at the question very carefully. Okay. Inside the small bracket, I have 5 minus 8. That I will solve first. Okay. 5 minus 8 is how much? Minus 3. So, I will write 15 plus minus 3. Okay. Minus 3. Now, when we solve a bracket, it just gets removed. Okay. It just gets removed. Okay. So, 15 plus minus 3 Okay, when two signs are together, that time you can put the bracket. Okay, that time you can put the bracket. Now in the next step, we'll remove it. Okay, 15 plus minus minus 3 divided by 6. The outermost value that is not in the bracket will be solved at the last. Okay, so 15 minus 3 is how much? 12. 12. Okay, now I solve 15 minus 3, so I remove the curly bracket. Divided by 6. And what will be my answer? 2. Okay, directly. Now, understood how we worked on with the bracket. First, we solve the small bracket, then we solve the curly bracket. Okay. Hello, hello, Emma. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you, Emma? It's long time.
Good, ma'am.
Okay, good to know. Will you be able to turn on the video?
Yes, ma'am. Just wait 1 second.
Okay, okay.
Okay, ma'am. Can you see me?
No, Emma, it's a black screen.
Okay, wait, let me try again.
Yeah. Okay, have you all written? Emma, do you want to write? You can just write this down.
Yes, ma'am.
Mom, I don't have my like a book right now.
You don't have a book right now. Okay, that's totally fine, Emma. You just write this down on the screen. Okay. I just started with grouping, that is using brackets in the sums to know that what part to solve first.
Okay, mom.
Yeah. Okay. Till then, Nathaniel and Anna, can you try out one question? Try out this question till then, Anna and Nathaniel.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Done. Okay, are you all getting the answer of this one? Yes, Nathaniel, what are you getting?
For mine, I got 12.
You got 12. Okay. Okay. Anna, what are you getting?
Ma'am, I'm almost done. I'm still doing it.
Still doing. Okay. Emma,
Mom, I'm still doing it.
okay.
Ma'am, my answer is 4.
4. Okay. Okay, Anna, how did you solve it?
So I divided 18 divided by 3 and I got 6. And then I minus 15 from 6 and I got 9. And then I did 13 minus 9 and I got 4.
Mm-hmm. Okay. It's correct, Anna. Okay. Nathaniel. Nathaniel. So this is how we solve it. Okay. We will divide 18 by 3 first. Okay. That is going to give us 6. Okay. Subtract 6 from 15. Okay. We will get 9. And then subtract, do 13 minus 9. We will get 4. Okay. When you have like, do you remember there is a rule called BODMAS, BODMAS, okay, where first the brackets, then off means multiplication. Whatever is in multiply we solve. Then whatever is in divide, that we solve. Okay. Then again multiplication is M. Okay. Then whatever is addition and then subtraction. So first we do divide and then we that's the order of solving. First we do divide and then we subtract it. Okay.
Okay, mom.
Yeah. Written Emma, shall we move on?
Yes, mom, I got it.
Okay. Now we will try out one question. Okay. We will try out another question and see the use of all three brackets. Okay. Look. 5 minus 12 plus 12 plus 9 minus 17 minus 3. Okay. Firstly, what we do, we solve the small bracket. Okay. So 5 minus 12 plus 9 minus 17 minus 3 is how much? 14. And then see, when we keep solving the bracket, it keeps getting removed. As you solve the small bracket, so I remove the small bracket. Okay. Now we have the square bracket and the curly bracket. Which one we solve next? The curly bracket. So 5 minus 12 plus 9 minus 14. How much, Nathaniel?
Mom, I got the full answer.
You got the full answer.
105.
Minus 5. Yes. Minus 5. Minus 5. Okay. Then we have signs that will be changed. 5 minus. Yes, Emma, what's the full answer? 12 minus 5.
Ma'am, -2.
Negative 2.
Ma'am.
Okay. Just check it once again. 12 minus 5 is how much? 7. Okay, yes, negative 2. Negative 2 is correct. Okay, no, 1 second. Let me just check it. 15. This is okay. Okay, it's correct. There was a misprint. There was a misprint. This is correct. Okay, minus 12 is correct. Good, Emma. So, this is how we solve. First, we solve the small bracket. Then we move on to solving the curly bracket. And then at the end, we solve the big bracket. Okay, try out one more question. Try out one more question.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, and what is it?
30.
30. Okay. Yes. How did you solve it?
Ma'am, so I started off by doing the small bracket, which is 8 minus 3. Then I went to the bigger bracket and I did. Then after I did. Uh, yes, ma'am. First I did the uh, 8 minus 3, then after which equal to 5. And after that I did the 30 plus in the and then the curly brackets with 20 minus 15 minus 5. Then after that I did uh, 20 minus 15 equals to 5. Then after that 30 plus 0 equals to 30.
Hmm. Okay. Uh, 30 is the correct answer, Emma. Now, take a look. Okay, this portion. This portion. Okay. In the curly bracket, I have one value positive, but the other two are negative. Okay, 20, I have my 20 positive, but there is minus 15 minus 5. When minus minus is there, okay, what happens? We add them. Okay, minus minus plus. We
Plus.
add them. So that is why I have 20 here. Okay, why negative 20? Because 15 is of negative. Okay, negative 20. Then 20 minus 20 is 0. So 30 plus 0 equals to 37. 30 is the answer. Okay, Nathaniel, Anna, got it? Okay.
Very like 15 minutes.
Okay. So,
I put in a
with
mom.
this,
I didn't take her.
yes, Amma.
No, ma'am, sorry.
Okay. Okay, check out one more question. I'm clearing the screen now. Twen- 29 minus 14 plus 16 minus 12 minus 4. Start with a small bracket. Then once it's solved, solve the curly bracket. Then once curly brackets are solved, solve the square bracket. And then solve what is outside the bracket.
Mama, I got my answer.
Okay, Emma. What are you getting, Emma?
What, ma'am?
Ma'am, I'm still doing it.
What answer are you getting?
I got the number 7. 7, I
7.
think. That's the answer.
Okay. Natalia Lana.
Ma'am,
I
I'm
also
still
got the
doing it.
answer 7.
Okay. Anna, you are still doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. The answer is 7. Anna got it now.
Ma'am, my answer is 7.
7. Okay, good. All right. So with this, we have finished with the lesson. Okay, lesson 2. This was the last topic, integers. Okay. What I want you to do, go through the exercises. Okay. Finish all the exercises. Finish the back exercise too. Okay. By this weekend, it's like the homework for this weekend. Finish up lesson 2 full. Okay. All the mid exercises that you've been doing, and the last final exercise is also there. Okay. Today, complete for homework exercise 2.3. Okay, that is on brackets. And 2.3 is for today. Then one major exercise will be left that you have to complete in the weekend. Tomorrow, we will start with a new chapter, lesson 3. Okay, let me tell you the name. Yes, square, square root, and cube root. Okay, squares and square roots, and cube root. That lesson we will start tomorrow. Okay. Also, science will be there tomorrow at 7:40. Okay. Today we couldn't have class. I missed on turning on the link. Okay. But science tomorrow will be there 7:40, and then maths regular 8:20. Okay. So we will stop here. Practice some more questions from this chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Do the homework, and we will make them tomorrow. Okay. Bye all. See you tomorrow.
Ma'am.
Have a good day.
Bye, ma'am. Thank